Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I hope that you had a great holiday. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, wonderful New Year's, and we are starting the year off with a really healthy recipe today. So thanks for joining me. This is going to be my lunch meal prep for the week. If you're new here, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prepping for breakfast and lunch. So if you've been here before, you know that I really like stuffed chicken recipes. So that is what I'm going to make this week. It's going to be a stuffed chicken with, I have this artichoke jalapeno dip. I'm going to put that inside of the chicken along with some spinach. And then I'm going to do a side of asparagus. And with this asparagus, I like to use this roasted garlic vinaigrette. It's by Kraft. You can get it pretty much at any grocery store. So I like to add that on top of my veggies. I'm going to cook this all in a Pyrex dish in the oven. I have the oven preheating right now to 350 degrees. So this is a really easy recipe. Like most of my recipes, all very simple, healthy. They're usually keto friendly. So I will get this one cooking and our lunch will be meal prepped for the week.
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fly open the chicken. So I'm going to cut it through the middle, but I'm going to leave it attached on the very side so that once I have all of my filling in the chicken, we can put the top back on, and then I will secure it so that it all stays together while it's cooking. So I will open these up and they are ready to go to add all of our filling to it. The first thing I'm going to do is add the artichoke Parmesan dip. It has jalapenos in it also. This is store-bought. You can make your own dip if you'd like. So I'm going to spread this across one side of the chicken. I'm going to save a little bit of extra of this dip to put on top of the chicken once it's in the pan. So now I'm going to add on some spinach. You can really add in as much as you'd like for this. I'm going to add a nice layer onto each side of the chicken. So once all of the filling is in, I'm going to put the top of the chicken, flip it back over, and I'm going to pin it closed with a toothpick, and this will help it stay secure while it's cooking in the oven. Once they're secure and ready to go, I'm going to cut these in half so that they're already portioned for each day for this week. We're gonna have half a piece for each meal. So after these are cut, I'm going to add them to my Pyrex baking dish. So I've added my chicken now into the Pyrex baking dish. So once it is in, I will now put on the remaining of the Parmesan jalapeno dip. So I will add that on top of the chicken. This dip is really yummy. It has so much flavor, especially with the jalapenos in it. So I will add a little bit on to each part of the chicken. And now I'm going to add in the asparagus, and I'll just put this in the Pyrex pan with the chicken. I'm going to add on the roasted garlic vinaigrette, and I'm going to cook this for about 25 to 30 minutes in my oven that's at 350.
All right, so our healthy keto lunch is ready for the week. It has cooled in the dish, so I'm going to portion out the chicken and asparagus into my meal prep containers. I'm going to use these same ones that I use every week for breakfast and lunch. I got these on Amazon. If you need some new ones, these ones are really great. I will link them in the description. So I'm going to portion everything out so we're ready to go for the week. My healthy lunch is ready to go for the week. It's all portioned out, ready to go with this artichoke jalapeno dip in this chicken. It gives it so much flavor. It is so yummy, keto friendly, of course. So I will store these in the refrigerator, pull them out and put in the microwave when I'm ready for lunch, and we're ready to go for the week. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you do, check it out in the description box. I'll have it in there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful, happy new year. Stay safe and healthy, and check out my other videos. See you later. Bye-bye.